Hello friends, today we are going to make that dish which you usually get in resto for 300 to 400 per plate. But the taste you will get at home will be 10 times more delicious. Yes, today we are making super juicy, completely dhaba style chili chicken gravy. Just follow this recipe step by step and you will get chili chicken with the perfect texture, soft from inside and beautifully glossy shiny gravy. So let's get started. First, I have taken half a kilogram of boneless chicken and cut it into 1-inch bite-sized pieces. I wash it thoroughly 3 to 4 times with water. Now first add 1 teaspoon salt to the chicken. Then add half tablespoon crushed red chili and half tablespoon crushed black pepper. Next add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, half tablespoon soy sauce and half tablespoon vinegar. Now I have taken 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour here and 3 tablespoons of corn flour. Add both to the chicken. For good binding, add 1 egg. This improves the binding and also enhances the taste. If you don't like egg, you can skip it. Mix all the ingredients very well with the chicken. Once everything is nicely combined, let it marinate for about 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 to 20 minutes, heat oil properly for deep frying. Keep the flame on medium high and gently add the chicken pieces one by one. Make sure the oil is properly hot, otherwise the coating may come off in the oil. When the chicken pieces are well fried on one side, turn them over and fry the other side as well until they are crispy on the outside and tender inside. As you can see, the chicken is perfectly fried from all the sides and is nicely cooked and tender inside. Remove it from the oil and keep it aside. Fry the remaining chicken the same way. Now in a pan, take 3 tablespoons of oil. As soon as the oil heats slightly, add 1 chicken stock cube. These are easily available in market. If you don't have them, you can skip this step. Crush the cube with a spoon and fry it in the oil for few seconds. Then add 2 tablespoons of roughly chopped ginger and garlic. Fry the ginger and garlic on medium-high flame for a few seconds until they soften. Don't change their color. Now add finely chopped green chilies and 2 tablespoons of white part of spring onions. If you don't have spring onions, you can use regular onions. Fry until slightly soft. Once the ginger, garlic, green chili and onions are slightly soft, add half cup diced green capsicum, half cup red bell pepper and 3 medium-sized onions cut into cubes. Stir fry all of these for about 2 minutes on medium flame, stirring continuously. If you don't have red bell pepper, you can skip it and use only green capsicum. It will still taste great. Now let's add the sauces. Add half cup red chili sauce, half cup tomato ketchup and about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. For dry spices, add half tablespoon of black pepper powder, half tablespoon crushed red chili and half tablespoon red chili powder. Mix everything well on medium-high flame for a few seconds. You can adjust the quantity of chilies, reduce them for a mild version or increase them if you like it extra spicy. Since we are making chili chicken gravy, add water according to the gravy consistency you want. I am adding about 1 glass of water. After adding water, add the fried chicken and mix it well with the gravy. Let it come to a boil on a high flame. Once it starts boiling, add corn flour slurry. I have mixed 2 tablespoons of corn flour with half cup of water. Add it gradually while continuously stirring to avoid lumps. As you can see, the gravy starts thickening. Adjust the thickness according to your preference by adding more or less corn flour slurry. Once the gravy boils again, turn off the flame and garnish with finely chopped coriander leaves and finely chopped spring onion greens. And here you can see our super tasty glossy restaurant style chili chicken gravy is completely ready. Look at the texture of the gravy. Not too thin, not too thick, just perfect. The chicken is tender and juicy with full of flavor in every bite. So do try this easy, delicious and 100% fail-proof chicken chili gravy recipe. Once you make it, trust me, you won't order it from restaurant again. It will become your favorite homemade dish. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like the video, share it and subscribe to the channel.